Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix black screen when installing new programs on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, follow some easy steps. Click on Start, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now guys, it will take some time to complete this system scan. So once this system scan will be complete, again you need to click on start, type CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command dism.exe space slash online space slash clean up dash image space slash restore health. So type this command line, then press enter. Now guys, this will take some time also, so just you need to wait till this system scanning procedure will be complete, and hopefully guys, after this procedure will be complete, restart your PC, all problems will be resolved. And also guys, black screen problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching, and guys please comment this method work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.